In the Section 2 exam paper, after answering questions about your own results, you'll be asked a series of questions about data presented on a sheet known as a secondary data sheet. It's very likely you'll be asked to draw a sketch graph for some of the data on that sheet. For example, in this question, the candidates are asked to produce a sketch graph for the results or data shown in Case Study 1. If we refer to that section of the secondary data sheet on your screen now, we can see that a table is given with two columns, weight added to rubber band and extension of rubber band. I'd now like you to imagine that in response to that, a student did the following: added titles to the axes, attempted to plot the data, and added a line of best fit. What I'd like you to do is pause the video, think about how many marks you'd give that. In this situation, a sketch graph is worth 2 marks. Okay, well, sketch graphs marked as follows: axes, full titles with units, and a decent trend line. Actually, we can ignore the fact that the candidate has put crosses for the data points. That's not going to get marks. The axes titles, well, they do have units, but the candidate has left out a lot of detail in the titles that were given in the table of results, so that does not score marks. Unfortunately, the line of best fit will not get marks either. If you look very carefully at the data, you'll see that the weight, as it went up one at a time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the extension was going up very nearly in equal steps. So the sketch graph should have a line of best fit that's linear or straight to reflect the fact the extension of a rubber band is going up in roughly equal steps. Therefore, in this example, no marks are scored.